Your favorite segment of the show, folks.
We are rebuilding our 250 XS. This part right here I hate.
We're gonna have to have more story times with Sam. Who was the last f***er to use it?
I am the
Eating a donut.
You bring shit donuts?
I'm gonna put a tiller handle on a brand new Suzuki. Maybe English is first. Let's see. Install the washer. I think this is the right washer. This one. So then they want this, then that, then that, and then that. That. Got it. Okay. So the tiller handle with the Suzuki, it all started off, I started to read the Japanese portion of the instructions, and I don't read Japanese. So once I found the English portion, it really started coming to me. It goes right here, boom, and this goes here like this, and here, like that. See how that was working? Last time it went through here. Now they do this over here. Last time I had a bar that went through here and had a tensioner on it. Now they've changed some stuff up on it. Ha! Damn, it's working out now. And this goes here. Then one of these go. Wait, no. Then this goes. Then this goes. Then this goes. See? Then you make the space right in here. So you go through there. Gaining it. Not the deal. Told me that pictures are better than reading.
Pictures are always better.
Right. Good point. That's not going to work either. It's getting out of control. It was a little bit different than what I did on the last one with the tensioner, so it was all good. It all turned out in the end. Just took a little bit longer than what I wanted. I've already done 2 of these, but they didn't have this kind of happy time. Slow tiller handle down mechanism. Poke your eye out a little bit. I'm gonna get you started so everybody's happy here for a little bit. And I can just chill. Chill.
What about picture on Mr. Rogers?
No.
Why not? We're gonna have to have more story times with Sam.
That's what we love about Samo. Always high on life.
So everybody knows I like to bullshit. Just the way I am. So while we're working, I bullshit with everybody, and I try to get everybody off tangent and get a rise out of them. And it's just kind of normal day to day. Sometimes the whole shop's involved with one argument. It's a blast.
Yeah, it's always good to be BSing with Sam. Sam always brings that little bit of excitement to me. Most of the stuff we talk about is true. It's actually real stuff that happened, but he gets talking about a lot of stuff. It's just good to BS, makes time fly. La-hoo, la-hoo. Anybody else like the hula hoop thing? Sam, maybe? Now I'm gonna read this to you right here, okay? This is how good I am. Note, the vapor separator vent hose has been plugged for shipping. During PDI, pre-delivery inspection, remove the vapor separator vent hose prior to connecting the fuel system or attempting to start engine. Now see, that's how good I am. I can read that through there, okay?
I'm checking the thermostats on this Optimax. That's not cool. Hauser. Schrader valve does not seal. My fuel pressure Schrader valve does not seal. It's because the cap's all f***ed up. Maybe time to clean.
The Lion King had everything to do with Rafiki. Everything with Rafiki. When he's mad, you know, when the king has returned. Okay? You know?
No idea. I'm gonna drop this bolt right in the fuel rail. Try not to.
I don't even like. I'm not gonna put this on there. That. No.
Your favorite segment of the show, folks. Wow. Do you hear this?
Why am I not a warrior? We are rebuilding our 250 XS. All new shiny pistons, both sides, 6 new pistons. New head on this side, had a little problem with the other one. Here's the old one. Smart Mercury, but they just feel that they need to put the head temp right in the way. So that way you gotta kind of finagle this one. What the torque is on an XS? You're gonna have to look it up. Okay, we'll be right back. Don't move. Oh, 20 to 30 foot-pounds, rotate to 90 degrees. Threads, volts, da-di-da-di-da. And volts torque to 20 foot-pounds. And rotate 90. Perfect! 18 and 20. Back up, 30. In your best estimate, where do you think 90 degrees would be? This part right here I hate. Every time you go and do this right here, it feels like the end of the world. It feels like she's gonna break right off. But You gotta do it to kill it. 'Jason, I'm doing my favorite thing in the world. 90 degrees and everything feels like they're gonna break.
I love that part.
Stretch it. You wanted to know I needed to do that. Yes!
This is what happens when you break stuff. You get to replace stuff. It leaned out of fuel and it decided to melt the piston, and then it was actually taking the head away and sending that into. Not only is there's probably piston parts in here too that actually are melted into the head.
Delicious.
This right here.
So, working on this 25 Merc. It's got runnability problems. And the first thing I noticed, it's got gray fuel line on it. Oh, Who was the last f***er to use it? No! Wrong end or something. It's like a bait caster. After you get a backlash. Come out. There, I got it. Hello. Yes, we don't have the right Onaker clips, do we? So, making them a new fuel line, and I want to make it really nice, and we don't have any Onaker clips that fit it. So I had to do it the old time way and use zip ties, the high quality ones, and a zip tie gun so everything stays nice and tight together and we don't have any air leaks. Trying to pull some fuel through. God, we're pulling fuel though.
Yeah. Not good.
What caused that?
This probably is just from wear, actually. Because when you're at idle, these are sitting like this, and when you're at wide open, they're like that. So this just closes the door. This just probably just wore out. These are actually carbon fiber, so thinking that that paddle is not going to be cheap. So on the rebuild, it was number 6 that detonated on that one. I think it was an original double fire, but I don't remember. This was from last fall when this happened on this one. We sent the block out, got it machined, put pistons in it. We just started putting it back together. It would have been back together today, but come to find out that the guy who took it apart didn't realize it had a broken reed, and I'm not going to put it together with a broken or cracked reed, so we ordered that up here in a couple days. Hi, Steve. It's Andy at Teams. Should be able to finish it up, get it on the boat, say goodbye. Starting to look like a motor.
Stay tuned for next week's episode. Stay tuned for next week's episode. And as always, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell to witness the madness we call speed, money, and no brakes.
There's a choice we're making. Come on, Sam! Shut the f up and just start singing.